This guy just hanging out in the woods. Very interesting. Well, we ain't done this in a while. First bucket at a new spot. Already got a couple of pieces up in there. We'll see when we clean her out. We'll run this pail. Woo. Well, my sluice came apart about a quarter pail, so I panned it back. We got that one piece in there so far, and it looks like there's a smaller one in there. Not the best, but there's still gold. I just picked a spot, started digging. We'll test a few spots though to see if we can't find any more. Nothing beats sluicing in the rain. We're just taking some scoops from over here. We're gonna keep working this little hole. I found a few pieces. We'll just keep going. It's raining. I'm only gonna get about one more bucket in. All right, so here's my test hole. We are, I don't know, probably a foot down, foot deep, searching for that clay. Test hole Tuesday. We got this rock here on the edge. I'm really hoping it's piling it up. I found about 4 pieces of gold so far in one full bucket, 2 half pails. So not the best, but we're not on clay yet, so I'll keep digging in case we're gonna hit some clay. But that's what Tuesdays are for, baby. Test holes. Sluicing in the rain, sluicing in the rain. All right, there's some gold. There's some gold. We got plenty more gold in here. There's just a couple pieces I kicked back. But there's some more in there. A big one right there. Nice size piece right there. Yeah, we'll take this home. Test pan. Test hole Tuesday. That was a win. Might come back and work that.